We were born from grit in a working class town where we understand and value hard work. Here, men and women clock in before the sun, and they stay after the floor goes quiet when the lights start to cool. And when something's not up to our standards, they ensure that it doesn't leave our facility. They save what others would scrap, because waste is easy, craft isn't. They don't talk much about pride, they build it. And every time that the world demanded faster, or cheaper, or quicker, this crew learned a different trick: excellence. This is where raw materials meet the elements that will forge them into something superior, where an idea becomes a material, and that material becomes something strong enough to handle whatever you demand from it. It's not glamorous, it's work. Made in the USA, it isn't just a slogan on a box here. It's our address, it's where we live, it's where we raise our families. And if it carries our name, it carries theirs. The operators, the millwrights, the ones who keep the light steady and the standard superior. Because this product, it doesn't come from a factory. It comes from real people. So when you run your hand across a surface and it feels honest, know this: that did not happen by accident. It happened because a team that started in 1943 never stopped learning, never stopped caring, and never stopped making it right. Made here, made to last. We are Richlite.